you got here?
I am Unicorn. You can ask me anything you want.
Really? Okay. I wish I could do teleportation so I don't have to walk far away again.
That's a great wish. Here, take this magical alarm clock. You can teleport anywhere you want.
Wow, thank you, Unicorn. It'll be great to have this alarm clock.
I'm in a hurry. I need to find my friend named Rabbit.
See you. Have a nice day.
Hey, Rabbit. How is it going? Hey, Unicorn. I'm good. Thanks. How are you? Hey, I'm good. I just gave this a magical alarm clock to this random girl. That's cool. I'm so happy for her. Maybe I'll just hang out with you and enjoy the sunshine.
Guys, guess what? I met a unicorn and she gave me this magical alarm clock. We can teleport anywhere we want.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Let's try it out.
Where do we go?
Maybe first time, maybe we can try to teleport to the park.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, we can hold this alarm clock together.
This is gonna be amazing.
I know, teleportation is super crazy.
Wow, that was so cool.
I can't believe we did that. It's amazing.
Well, hello. Hey girl, pay your taxes.
Wait, but I don't have any money on me right now.
I also accept silver items. What stupid alarm is this? Where the heck am I? I don't want this stupid clock anyway.